Hey guys, it's Shanice. I'm back with another video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how I made these blueberry spelt muffins. And in this video, this is not my recipe. I did intend to make my own blueberry spelt muffins. However, I went and checked to see if there were any other recipes online as well. And I came across this one in a video and decided to try it because it looked interesting. However, I'm going to be showing you what I've done in this video and what I decided to use as a change of ingredients, and also give my opinion on what I thought it tastes like, how I thought it felt as far as texture. So here are my ingredients, and I have some spelt flour. Now it calls for milk, but I decided to use hemp milk just to try hemp milk for the first time. Also, I have some sea salt, I have a batch of fresh blueberries, and then I have some baking powder here, along with some grapeseed oil, which is my favorite, and then I also have some vanilla extract. I have some shredded coconut flakes, and I also have some lime juice and some organic brown coconut sugar, which I do like coconut sugar. So these are all of my ingredients that I use in this recipe. Now the first thing that I did was start with my dry ingredients first, which I grabbed 3 cups of spelt flour, and to that I'm adding 1½ cup of dried coconut flakes. Then also I'm adding 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1½ teaspoons of sea salt, and then 3/4 cups of coconut sugar. So I'm mixing all of my dry ingredients together first, and once that's mixed, I'm gonna mix together my wet ingredients. So my wet ingredients consist of 1 cup of hemp milk, mixing ½ cup of grapeseed oil with that, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to stir all of that together, and after that I'm going to pour it into my dry ingredients. And then I'm also going to add some lime juice to this. Okay, so at this point I'm starting to mix it together. I had to stir all of this off camera, but this is what it should look like after you mix it. And to this point I'm going to add my fresh blueberries. You can add as much as you want. I just basically went by feeling and stopped whenever I felt like it. So once they are added in, I'm just going to fold in these blueberries. I had to fold them off camera once again. And this is what my mixture looked like. So then I greased my jumbo muffin pan, which I only have 6 muffin holders. And I have grapeseed oil grease in my pan. I had to keep on packing these because it turns out I had too much batter for my pan. Okay, so now that my pan has been stuffed with the batter, I had my oven preheated to 350 degrees, by the way. And then this recipe really called for 25 minutes of baking, but from what I understood, after 25 minutes, they were still kind of raw. So I put it on 15 more minutes. So the outcome is 40 minutes or 45 minutes for this recipe. I did put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes to cool down so I can go ahead and remove them from the pan. And this is what they look like. They're really, really pretty muffins. So if you want to feel like a baker, these are really pretty muffins. However, I have to say this, I did eat the muffins, and I have to say that I can do without the coconut. I don't like the coconut, the shredded coconut in the muffins, because I don't like the texture when I'm biting into it, because they have that dryness. I don't really think they do anything to the muffins. However, as far as the brown sugar, the coconut sugar, I don't think it made them that sweet either. So that's another thing. And I can also do it without the lime juice. But other than that, they are pretty good, and I would keep the coconut sugar. I just think I would add a little more. So I also discovered that I like this the next day rather than the first day because they just taste so much better. So I heated one up and I had it with some Earth Balance butter, and it turned out to be really good. I ended up eating another one. But if you guys want to try this recipe, I would encourage you. You can change whatever ingredients you want. And I also want to thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.